Dreaming of becoming an astronaut? You're not alone. For as long as humans have looked up at the night sky, we've imagined ourselves among the stars. But did you know that the path to space is evolving faster than ever? What was once the exclusive realm of government agencies is now opening up to commercial ventures and private initiatives. So buckle up, space cadets, because in this video, we're going to explore the evolving world of astronaut careers. Let's explore how you can become an astronaut in today's world of space exploration. Traditionally, becoming an astronaut meant working for a government space agency. Think NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, Roscosmos in Russia, or the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, among others. The requirements? Exceptional education in STEM, think aerospace engineering, physics, or biology, years of professional experience, and the kind of physical fitness that would make an Olympic athlete jealous. NASA's astronaut candidates often have military pilot backgrounds, experience as scientists or engineers, and advanced degrees like a PhD or MD. I'm talking about the best of the best, folks. The ones who've spent years honing their skills and pushing their limits. They're test pilots who've danced with Mach speeds, scientists who've dedicated their lives to unraveling the mysteries of the universe, and engineers who can MacGyver their way out of a spacesuit malfunction. But even beyond the technical qualifications, there's a certain intangible right stuff that astronaut selection committees look for. We're talking about courage, resilience, adaptability, leadership, and the ability to stay cool under pressure when you're literally millions of miles from home. But here's the thing. The traditional path, while still incredibly important, isn't the only way to space anymore. Welcome to the era of commercial spaceflight. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Axiom Space are no longer just dreaming about space. They're building the rockets, the spacecraft, and the infrastructure to make it a reality. And guess what? They're hiring astronauts for missions beyond government programs. We're talking about space tourism, private research expeditions, even the possibility of asteroid mining in the not-too-distant future. These roles don't always require a PhD or military experience, just the right mix of technical skills, training, and a passion for exploration. Commercial spaceflight companies are looking for individuals with specialized expertise in areas like software development, robotics, materials science, and even hospitality and customer service for those space tourism gigs. With commercial space tourism on the rise, new opportunities are opening up for pilots, engineers, and even medical professionals to play a role in the future of space travel. These are the kinds of careers that were once the stuff of science fiction, and they're becoming more and more attainable every day. Here's the thing about space exploration, it's not just about rocket science anymore. Don't get me wrong, understanding orbital mechanics and propulsion systems is still crucial. But as we venture further into the cosmos and our presence in space becomes more sustained, the need for a diverse range of skills and expertise grows exponentially. We're not just talking about astronauts anymore. Astrobiologists, AI specialists, and even artists are finding ways to contribute to space missions. Space agencies and companies now value a wide range of skills beyond just technical expertise. If we're going to build a sustainable presence on the Moon or Mars, we're going to need architects, geologists, agricultural specialists, and even psychologists to help us design habitats, manage resources, and ensure the well-being of the humans who call these distant worlds home. New technologies like virtual reality and robotics are making astronaut training more accessible, while space medicine is becoming a critical field for long-term missions. Imagine designing virtual reality simulations to train astronauts for the challenges of extraterrestrial exploration, or developing robotic assistants that can aid in everything from space station maintenance to planetary exploration. The future of space exploration is going to require the talents and passions of people from all walks of life. For the longest time, space exploration was dominated by a handful of powerful nations, but the final frontier is vast and full of possibilities, and the race to explore it is becoming increasingly international. Countries like India, China, and the UAE are rapidly expanding their space programs, offering more opportunities for aspiring astronauts worldwide. These emerging space powers are launching their own satellites, sending probes to the Moon and Mars, and even developing their own crewed spacecraft. And speaking of private initiatives, let's not forget the game-changers like SpaceX's Dear Moon project, which aims to send a group of artists and creatives on a lunar flyby, or the Polaris program, a series of human spaceflight missions spearheaded by Jared Isaacman, the billionaire entrepreneur who chartered that all-civilian SpaceX flight a while back. Private missions like the Polaris program and SpaceX's Dear Moon project are creating roles for civilians to venture into space, sometimes without traditional astronaut requirements. The future of space exploration is a global endeavor. So, no matter where you come from or what your background is, if you've got the passion, the drive, and the right stuff, there's a place for you in this exciting new era of space exploration. Alright, so you're inspired, you're motivated, and you're ready to start your journey to becoming an astronaut. But where do you begin? The good news is, there are concrete steps you can take today to set yourself on the path to the stars. First things first, education. Pursue STEM education. Degrees in science, technology, engineering, or math are a great starting point. Remember, space exploration is a highly technical field, and a strong foundation in STEM subjects is essential. Whether you're passionate about aerospace engineering, astrophysics, computer science, or even space medicine, there's a path for you. Gain experience. Work in fields like aviation, research, or even robotics. Look for opportunities to gain practical experience in fields related to space exploration. This could involve internships at space agencies, research positions in universities or private companies, or even working on projects related to aviation, robotics, or extreme environments. Stay physically fit. Astronauts undergo rigorous physical training, so fitness is a must. Maintaining a high level of physical fitness is crucial for any aspiring astronaut. Engage in regular exercise, focus on cardiovascular health, strength training, and flexibility. And if you're feeling really ambitious, maybe try some scuba diving or skydiving to get comfortable with extreme environments. Apply broadly. Look at government programs, commercial companies, and international agencies. Don't limit yourself to just one agency or company. Explore opportunities with NASA, ESA, Roscosmos, as well as emerging space nations and private companies. Stay curious, keep learning. Space exploration values lifelong learners and problem solvers. The field of space exploration is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to be a lifelong learner. We are living in an extraordinary time, folks. For millennia, humans could only dream of reaching beyond Earth, of walking on other worlds, of unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. But today those dreams are becoming reality. With missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, the demand for astronauts is only going to grow. We're on the verge of a new era of human space exploration, one that will see us establish a permanent presence on the Moon, send the first humans to Mars, and perhaps even venture beyond our own solar system in the centuries to come. Whether you're dreaming of conducting research on the ISS, building habitats on Mars, or exploring asteroids, the opportunities are endless. Imagine conducting groundbreaking research in the unique microgravity environment of the International Space Station, or being part of the team that builds the first human settlement on Mars. Picture yourself collecting samples from an asteroid, searching for signs of life on a distant moon, or even piloting a spacecraft to a neighboring star system. These are not pipe dreams, folks. These are real possibilities within our lifetimes. The future of space exploration is being shaped right now by the ingenuity, the passion, and the hard work of scientists, engineers, entrepreneurs, and dreamers all over the world. The journey to becoming an astronaut is challenging, but with dedication and the evolving opportunities in space exploration, your dream could one day become a reality. So, keep looking up at the stars, keep asking those big questions, and never stop believing in the power of human ingenuity and the allure of exploration. The journey to becoming an astronaut is challenging, but with dedication and the evolving opportunities in space exploration, your dream could one day become a reality. So, are you ready to reach for the stars?